Hi, I just came from outside tanning and I decided I was going to make a video of me cleaning my room. I don't know how long this is going to take, but yeah, it's kind of embarrassing, but wish me luck. Yeah, as you can tell, there's a lot to pick up, so I'm going to be here for a while, but I hope you enjoy watching me clean my room.
I switched the time zone, but what do I know? Spending nights hitchhiking, where will I go? I could fly home with my eyes closed, but it get kinda hard to see, there's no surprise though. And you can find me, I ain't hiding. I don't move my feet when I be gliding. I just slide and then I roll up. Yeah, well, climbing over that wall. I remember, yes, I remember it all. Swear the hype is too tall, so like September I fall down below. Now I know that the medicine be on call, yeah. Was feeling like you hot enough to melt, yeah. Can't trust no one, can't even trust yourself, yeah. And I love you, I don't love nobody else, yeah. Tell them they can take that bullshit elsewhere. Self-care, I'm treating me right. Yeah, hell yeah, we gonna be alright. We gon' be alright. I switched the time zone, but what do I know? Spending nights hitchhiking, where will I go? I could fly home with my eyes closed, but it get kinda hard to see, there's no surprise though. And you can find me, I ain't hiding. I don't move my feet when I be gliding. I just slide and then I roll up. Yeah, I be reading them signs. I be losing my mind. Yeah, get the fuck out the way. Must be this how to play. It must be nice up above the lights and what a lovely life that I made. Yeah, I know that feeling like it's in my family tree. Yeah, that Mercedes drove me crazy. I was speeding. Somebody save me from myself. Yeah, tell them they can take that bullshit elsewhere. Self-care, we gonna be good. Hell yeah, they letting me I switched the time zone, but what do I know? Spending nights hitchhiking, where will I go? I could fly home with my eyes closed, but it get kinda hard to see, there's no surprise though.
I'm editing this video, and if you noticed that it was like daylight, it was because I had made the video earlier that day, like at 2, and then I finished later that night. It didn't really take me that long, I just had like a lot of stuff I was doing that day, so if you're just wondering, that's what's up. I'm also just a little bit of a procrastinator, so
Self-care, I'm treating me right. Yeah, hell yeah, we gonna be alright. We gon' be alright. I switched the time zone, but what do I know? Spending nights hitchhiking, where will I go? I could fly home with my eyes closed, but it get kinda hard to see, there's no surprise though. And you can find me, I ain't hiding. I don't move my feet when I be gliding. I just slide and then I roll up. in my mind, yeah. Get the fuck out the way. Must be this how to play. It must be nice up above the lights and what a lovely life that I made, yeah. I know that feeling like it's in my family tree, yeah. That Mercedes drove me crazy, I was speeding. Somebody save me from myself, yeah. Tell them they can take that bullshit elsewhere. Self-care, we gonna be good. Hell yeah, they letting me clap. I switched the time zone, but what do I know? Spending nights hitchhiking, where will I go? I can fly home with my eyes closed, but if you kinda hard to see, there's no surprise though. And you can find me, I ain't hiding. I don't move my feet when I be gliding. I just slide and then I roll out. I didn't know, I didn't know. I didn't know, I didn't know. Yeah. Well, didn't know what I was missing. Now I see a little different. I was taking too much. Got stuck in oblivion.
Hi.
Yeah, yeah.
It's been a couple, like maybe a day or two since I have made this video. It's just cause like, like earlier I just said I procrastinate a lot. So I'm just gonna show y'all like my room. It's all like clean and everything now. So this is what we're gonna do.
I ride around my city when I come home. Yeah. The sunset quickly, then get up slow. I just connect.
That's it. Hope you enjoyed my video. That took me forever to make because I am a procrastinator. Have a good day.